Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the repair of the P105F board, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter, soldering iron, and solder. Ensure you have a clean workspace with adequate lighting. Start by removing the screws that secure the board to its casing. Carefully place these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently lift the board from the casing. Be cautious of any attached wires or connectors. Next, inspect the board for visible damage, such as burnt components or broken traces. Use your multimeter to check for continuity on the circuit. If you find damaged areas, take note of which components need replacement. If you're unsure about the diagnosis, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you identify the exact problem. Once you've identified the faulty components, begin desoldering them. Heat your soldering iron and carefully remove the solder from the damaged parts using a desoldering pump. If you don't have the necessary tools for this task, don't worry, our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get the help you need without any hassle. After removing the damaged components, clean the circuit board with isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush to remove any debris and ensure a good connection when soldering new parts. This step is crucial to maintain the integrity of the board. Now, it's time to install the new components. Align them properly on the board and secure them with solder. Pay close attention to the polarity of components like capacitors and diodes. If you're not confident in your soldering skills, we can provide a quote before repair, so you know the cost up front. Once all new components are soldered in place, perform a final inspection to ensure everything is secure and properly connected. Reassemble the board into its casing, ensuring all wires and connectors are correctly positioned. Before powering on the device, double-check all screws and connections once more. If you followed these steps carefully, your P105F board should be ready for testing. Power it on and monitor for any irregularities. If you experience issues, remember, no calls, no travel. Our team is here to assist you remotely, ensuring you get the support you need without any complications. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.